Alright, welcome back to our instructional video. So today I will discuss with you the process of integrating your Google account into our system. So actually, I don't know if you guys are aware, in Google search, if you have a company, it will display information indicating the availability of a chat feature or the option to make phone calls, among other things. For example, if you're going to a restaurant today, you can search for its name on Google. Then, on the phone, you will see a button that says Check Now. When you click on Check Now, customers will go there and ask you questions like, what are your business hours? Or sometimes they are worried if it's a holiday and don't know if your store is open. Instead of calling you, they will go to your Google chat to ask if you are open. So actually, there are quite a few bosses. Yeah, they overlooked this point. That is, there will be a chat box on the Google side. So I'm teaching you guys, if you don't set up a Google today, you can move that information about your Google business into our system. Today, I will teach you how to do a simple setup. Firstly, you go to the settings here, and then you click on this channel. It is important to follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful setup. Once you have clicked on the channel, you can proceed to configure the desired settings. Take your time and make sure to save any changes before exiting. Then you proceed to choose a Google business message in this location. When I initially arrived at this place, since I already possessed a link, we connected our company system with the website. Then you can press Manage. You need to pay extremely close attention to this point because once you link it to Google today, you must not make any further modifications or adjustments, as any additional changes may cause potential issues or disruptions. The change, known as so-called, implies that all of a sudden you state on the side of my conversation starter, I desire to include additional flow. So this is something I can tell you, it is strongly discouraged for everyone to do. Because why? Because Google itself, when you are already linked that chatbot into our system today, is when Google link in. His process will be a little bit troublesome. Why? Because Google itself needs to verify the information provided in the link of your chatbot. Is that correct? Why do you require your board? So they need to authenticate it unexpectedly, and then you need to transmit emails and so forth, and then wait for him for a day or occasionally 2 days to verify whether there is any issue with your entire board link. I have already established the connection on my side, so I am unable to demonstrate its functionality to you. Then just want to inform you that when you arrive at this location, you must ensure that all of your processes are prepared and refrain from making any further modifications. If you truly accidentally and then didn't notice, and then it has been altered, if you encounter any problems, you must inform me immediately. Due to this, I will need to request assistance from my team members to help you resolve it, since occasionally it can be problematic. So I'm telling you that I don't encourage it because in this process, you have to provide me with a lot of Google information, some links, some IDs, so that I can help you solve them. Because I still need it myself. After we get your ID, what we need to do is to go to Google and tell them that this link will have problems and then make some adjustments again. Alright, after completing the testing, you might receive a link. You are only able to use your phone to perform and evaluate your chatbot using this link. Due to the absence of a chatbot on Google's computer search platform, using a chatbot is not an option. This chatbot will only be visible on your Android or iOS phone. So the same applies here. On this side, there are points of entry, which are referred to as location and non-location. So the location is very simple. Just today, I will inform you about it on Google's map. You will be able to see a feature called Google Chat. So there will be many Google Chat things there. So today you have over 10 stores, and there are many stores like addresses, etc. You can inquire about the location. Non-local, indicating online only without a physical store, solely a website. You went to run a non-local. On my side, previously I just did a simple setting and put it as non-local. just simple. So in this particular scenario, the name logo is the same, which is precisely what we refer to as greeting. Then the conversions have started. Here you just put a simple one. You can put 3 to 5. It doesn't matter, just like your Facebook does. Upon completion of this straightforward task, you will realize that there is still an additional element present in this particular area. Provide information about your agent. Our checkpoint has already been verified and cannot be modified or altered without contacting Google for further assistance. So I am informing you, you need to ensure, that is to state, do not have any issues, because once you express your desire to make modifications in this location, it is a very troublesome and challenging problem. So you need to notify Google regarding this and that. You need to give them a call, comprehend, and the procedure will be somewhat intricate. I just want to tell you all in this video that if you want to make a Google setting, you must pay attention to this point. Okay, see you in the next movie.